rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the stream. What's going on? Hope everyone had a fantastic Wednesday. Sorry for the awkward 30 seconds of silence, man. Very, very awkward 30 seconds. You guys know we love the awkward times here at the end and the beginning of the stream. All right, we're going to get started here in just a second. You guys said awkward silence. Oh, man, I had to finish one thing before we hopped on here. All right, we're going to get started here. We'll talk some BTC. We'll have some fun. You guys know what we normally do here. All right, let's jump on into it. 20K, another 20K day for BTC. Will we stay here? Let's find out. Let's find out. You load up Bybit. Hold on, I need to load up Bybit. See how my short's doing. Let's see. See how my short's doing. Hold on. Oh, look at it. It's not doing too bad. It's not doing too bad. Oh wait, it didn't open yet. Come on, Bitcoin. Just dump. This is freaking annoying, man. Christ, man. All right, what's going on, man? So we're gonna jump on into it. Bitcoin did not dump this morning. All right, it teased us like 8 times, man. It teased us. We dumped. We came back up, dumped, came back up, dumped, came back up, dumped, came back up. We got teased like literally. I don't even know how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times this morning. And then we came back up to the upside. Had a pretty decent wick up to about 20,400, and then we came back down. All right, so that's pretty much what happened today. Jaba's waiting for his short entry, and he's just not getting it. He's just literally not getting it right now. And now we're sitting at 20,209. All right, what can we expect to happen in the short term, in the medium term, and we'll talk some long-term charts too. All right, what's everyone up to today? Jaba begging for his entry price? Yeah, he's not getting it yet, man. It's kind of annoying. I made $3 every time. There you go, Daniel. That's what I'm talking about. So you guys are saying here, manipulation, yes. We probably will see some manipulation tonight. So we'll see if the manipulation plays out, man. This is absolute manipulation. All right, we'll talk about it. All right, let's talk the 15-minute chart. Let's not waste any time here. Let's talk the 15-minute chart, and we will kind of jump into things. So we did kind of get back above that consolidation range here on the 15-minute time frame, guys. We got back above the 50 EMA, came back down to test it, came back up again, right? Took those wicks, and now came back down to the 50 EMA again, and are sitting right on top of those previous resistance levels that we kind of created back here, right? So at the moment, we want to see if Bitcoin holds the 50 EMA here and wants to continue back up to the upside, because you can look at this either way, right? I mean, what I would want to see here from Bitcoin is, typically I want to see the move up, the back test, and then the continuation just up. What we've seen so far, and you can still maybe call it that, but what we've seen so far is just to rise up, right? Rise back down, rise up, rise back down again. Now we need to wait. We need to see if Bitcoin wants to move back below the 50 EMA. If it does, we definitely are probably going to be testing these lows again. If it holds here, all right, maybe we turn this into a W formation and then continue back up to the upside. All right, so that's where we're waiting on the short-term time frames. I will have to say, you know, we did try to come back up and take that red vector candle looking left, and now are kind of just chilling in this range. So I will say, guys, there was so much manipulation. What is with all this manipulation, man? Why is there a white strip next to me? This is manipulation of the camera. Why is there a white strip? This is ridiculous. They're on to me. They're on to me. This is pure manipulation of the price. George, I blame you. Ben Cowan, I blame you. Where is the bear market resistance band? This is pure manipulation by Celsius too. No, but right now, I mean, it's a wait and see on the short-term time frames. No vector candles to look up to that I would say that need to get filled. And same thing for the downside in the 15-minute time frame. Not really anything down here as well. So right now, short-term, man, interesting point. Interesting point where you're kind of sitting right now. I'm not touching this with a 10-foot pole as far as a short-term trade. Hell friggin' no, man. Hell friggin' no. We ain't doing that. All right. Guys, let's back up that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Once again, if we hit, I'll do it again, man. If we can hit 800 likes tonight on today's stream, we'll do another 5-member giveaway. Okay, we're going to have the first member stream tomorrow. So look out for that. We're going to have the first member stream tomorrow. I'll let you guys know the time by the end of the stream tonight. We'll vote on it. You know, we'll have a nice fun time here. But I'll let you guys know the time on that. So let's hit the like button. Let's get to 100 likes tonight. All right, let's get it. You blame me, QM? Do not blame me. Do not blame me, my friend. What else we got? I will say, guys, I mean, the only thing that is like, oh my lord, look at the DXY. The DXY is going absolutely nuts again, all right? You know what that typically means for us. Dump it. Okay? So maybe this could be happy song, but the DXY going up like this in the daily, oh, no. No bueno for crypto. No bueno for crypto or really any asset. Quite frankly, get the stocks crossing up on the daily. Man, if DXY starts going parabolic again, which looks like it wants to, look out. Look out down below for really every asset. Okay, so we'll watch that, but that's not a good sign. That ain't a good sign for crypto whatsoever, man. Let's see what George thinks about the DXY, man. I am George. We're all George. Guys, I am more bullish on Bitcoin than I've ever been, okay? The world, like I said, guys, is not burning behind us. The US dollar is not gaining strength. Bitcoin is looking stronger than it ever has before. Let's go look at the weekly chart, guys. Bitcoin looks stronger than it ever has before. Let's bring up the weekly. Look at the Bitcoin weekly chart, man. It looks so strong. It looks like it just wants to absolutely pump to the upside. Let's look at the monthly chart. Yeah, this monthly chart by TechDev looks like the monthly chart just wants to absolutely go nuts to the upside. You know, and quite frankly, you know, everything is bullish, guys. Everything is bullish. So take that for what you will. Monthly looks bullish. We're building a base right here at 20,000, and we're going to continue up. All right, so let's do some Q&A. Let's do some Q&A. What do you got for me, guys? Let's see. Thinking about mining Cadena. Anyone do it already? No, I've never done it, man. That's a stupid question. Get out of my chat. Get out of my freaking chat. All right, I'm done. Yep, guys, we got the monthly close tomorrow, so we're gonna go over some monthly close stuff today. Does that sound exciting? Does that sound exciting, man? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat if that sounds exciting to everyone. That we got the monthly close coming up tomorrow, and we're actually at a very interesting spot on the monthly time frame. So we'll go over that in just a sec. All right, looks like Bitcoin is trying to break the 15-minute 50 EMA. So let's see what happens here, guys. We're looking like we're trying to break this. Will we bounce back up before the 15-minute close? We got 17 minutes until the 15-minute close. Let's see. Here comes BTC. Here comes BTC. Will we bounce back up before the 15-minute close? If we don't, let's watch. Let's watch this on a little scale here. Here we go. Let's get it, man. All right. Overall, while we play this, so excited. What we want to see ultimately, guys, for the bulls, we want to see this $19,700 hold. If this breaks, like we said, we are going back down to the crypto abyss, man. And there's a lot of, quite frankly,
Warning, shots fired.
going on everywhere. All right, so really, like we said, I mean, we're kind of just ranging, guys. We're going up, down, up, down. So until we break 19,700, I'm not gonna get too carried away with this because, I mean, just like we saw up here, if you guys remember this consolidation pattern up here, where we pretty much did the same thing, right, all the way up here. Where were we? Where am I going, man? I don't even know where I'm going right now. This is the 1 hour? Yeah. Where am I going? Oh, yeah, up here. We kind of did the same thing. We just kind of bounced up, down, 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 until we eventually dumped. So I was saying, until we break out of this range, guys, let's not get too carried away, all right? Let's stay grounded. At the end of the day, I mean, Bitcoin's going to go up, it's going to go down, but until we break key levels, I wouldn't get too stressed out about it anyways. You're still respecting this channel on the 1 hour time frame, you know. So, like I said, guys, let's not get too disappointed until Bitcoin breaks 19,700. Let's not start panicking, because right now the horse guy is going nuts. But what I will say is, before we jump into the horse guy, because he's going absolutely nuts, Bob's going nuts, the whole house is going nuts. I think Jimmy's about to go insane again. We don't want to see that. We definitely don't want to see that for my sake, guys. We got the hourly stock RSI topped out. All right. Not only that, we also got, if we actually look at a couple other things here, we got the hourly regular RSI with room to run to the downside too. So hourly looks a little shady. We can't get back above that 50 right now. What I will say is, though, all right, if you go to the 4 hour time frame in the same range here, 4 hour stocks are bottomed out. We're just going to cross to the upside on those. Be careful when you're looking at these. I will say, I mean, sometimes these are a little bit hit or miss, right? I mean, you were bottomed out here, and you just kept dumping back down to the downside. So they're not a give all, be all. At the end of the day, so take that with a grain of salt. With definitely a grain of salt. A grain of salt? A grain of salt! That's what you have for us, Jordan? We came here for TA, and you're telling us to take it with a grain of salt? We're all panicking over here. Bitcoin's at 20K, about to break the lows, and you're giving us a grain of salt? At least give us some meatloaf, shit! Like... Bob looks handsome today. Holy moly. Bob actually looks kind of handsome today, doesn't he? What's going on, Bob? Hey. If I was Bob right now, I'd be like, yeah, baby. Bob looks handsome today. Take it with a grain of salt. Take it with a grain of salt here. Let's see where the 15-minute close is before we get too crazy about anything. All right. Before we get too crazy about anything. I mean, at the end of the day, guys, I'm not seeing Bitcoin going on a major run with DXY going nuts. It's as simple as that. We could do all the TA in the world. If the DXY is printing daily candles like this.
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
Okay? And nothing's going to stop it. NASDAQ. Oh, man, the same thing. We still getting rejected from that top trend line. If the NASDAQ can break above this resistance, okay, awesome. Falling wedge to the upside, maybe we've got a little upside on us. Same thing. Until then, back down to the downside. All right, so we'll watch the NASDAQ. It is what it is. Who's seen it? Bob got a tan? He did. Bob has always been the most handsome of the bunch. You think so? I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Who do you think is the most handsome guy in the show, guys? Let me know in the chat. Who is the most handsome guy on this show? Let me know. We got a lot of guys on this show. We got, if you guys don't know the guys on this show, we got Horse Guy. I am the most handsome. I am Italian. No, I'm the most handsome because I'm so cute. Look at me. You can't be mad at me. Come on, you just want to squeeze my face. Shut the hell up, guys. Who do you think you are? Get the frick out of here. I'm handsome, okay? Look at my tan. Who's the most handsome? Let me know. Horse Guy. Danielle said Jabba. Denise said Bob. Skillful said Karen. Fahid said Jabba. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. A lot of people say Jabba. A lot of people say Java. I think Java's cute. I don't know about handsome. All right. Let's continue on. So, 20,114. We're still trying to see what Bitcoin wants to do. Let's go to the daily, guys. I mean, there's still enough price action in the daily, guys. Where I want to close the daily today, all right? Which it's not the most important thing in the world, but for the bull's sake, on the daily time frame, we know we broke this uptrend, right? We got this uptrend of support coming up, and once we broke that uptrend, it was hallelujah, hallelujah, sayonara, suckers, goodbye, whatever, however you want to say it. All right, it was sayonara to the downside. So where I want to see the price close today is above 19,977, which is the previous daily local low close. Okay, I want to get a close above there. Right now, we're sitting only a measly. You guys know that's my favorite word. I don't even know if that's a word, measly. I want to see a close above, right there. And we're only a measly about 100 and give or take $140 above that at the current moment. So, hey, that we know Bitcoin can dump $140 in a split second. We got 45 minutes until the close. Will we close above that level? That is the question. All right, so that's what we're going to watch for on the daily. At the end of the day, daily, nothing has changed. All right, absolutely nothing has changed. Where's my indicators here? My stochastic RSI is topped out on the daily. I cannot see Bitcoin go on a major run with the daily stock RSI topped out. I'm going to continue saying the same thing until it plays out because I'm pretty confident it will. It's going to go back down and test these wicks down here. All right, back down to 18,000, 19,000, anywhere in that range. Jordan, do not tell us this. You're supposed to be George's disciple. You're supposed to give us hopium. I'm not high enough on hopium. Jordan, I cannot wait till 10. I'm going to have a panic attack. Jordan, give me hopium. Quick. I'm going to give myself a freaking headache. Oh, Lord, man. I'm going to give myself a headache, man. You guys know I haven't been eating carbs lately, so... Oh, Lord, man. I can't be doing that. Oh, Lord. Horse guy. Give myself a break, man. I can't be taking care of you like that, brother. Stay good. Stay good. It's all good in the household here, okay? Bitcoin's not going to dump. Stay easy. Don't be panicking, okay? Relax. Relax, guy. Jeez. God damn, man. Even Dynasty pegged on Harmony? Oh, Lord, guy. All right. Anyways, down she goes. All right, yeah, let's go back to BTC. So 20,104. All right, we got the 15-minute close below the 50 EMA. Will we get follow-through now? All right, will we get follow-through? That is the question. Let's see. I mean, we got a 15-minute stocks that are bottomed out. All right. Does it have to play out necessarily right now? No, they could stay bottomed out for quite a while. So, let's see. Here we go. Looks like we broke the M formation neckline as well. So we had the M formation that also did just break out there, guys. So short term, I mean, based off of, Tino's theory, okay, we got the M formation breakout. We got the break above, break back down, break above, couldn't hold the 50 EMA. We broke the neckline, which was 20,129, this teal line. Will we see the follow through now of the M formation back down to the downside? That's what we're going to watch for here short term, all right? Hopefully we get some price action on stream, man, because the price action on stream has been absolutely butt burgers lately, okay? Butt burgers. It sounded like this. Absolute shiza, man. Absolute shiza price action. So let's see. All right, what else we got? Guys, we're inching closer. So we know we got the monthly close coming up on... We're going to talk about the monthly close stuff coming up in a second. We know we got the infamous monthly close coming up. And we know we got the Pi cycle bottom that is about to cross on July 6th. We are going to get the Pi cycle bottom cross on July 6th. We have miners capitulating left and right now. Miners are selling their Bitcoin. Or putting it back on exchanges to sell it. Okay? This is what we want to see for the start of a bottom to form. Okay? I will say it again. In my opinion, I don't think it's in yet. Okay? I will stick by that. If I'm wrong, hey, I'll take the L. I'm ready to go whenever we're ready to move to the upside anyways. But here's the thing, guys. Miners are capitulating. We got approximately 7 days until the pi cycle bottom crosses. Will we see Bitcoin capitulate in the next 7 days is the question. Will we see a July 4th absolute nutburgers where everyone is partying, right? We got everyone, the whole family partying on 4th of July. Oh, I don't want to be at this friggin' party, man. I just want to watch around the blockchain. This party sucks. Christ, man. Hey, everyone. Hey, when's the fireworks starting? When is it starting? When is it starting? I don't know. I'm not shorting today. Yeah, guys, I'm rich. Thanks for asking. I'm rich. You see the Lambo in the driveway? Thank you so much. Thank you. There's too many people here. There's too many people. I'm antisocial. Where's the hay? There's too many people.
Dump it.
Will we see the July 4th? Okay. The July 4th fireworks to the downside is the question. Maybe we get to the upside, hopefully. I don't know. But we got the pi cycle bottom coming on July 6th. So let's pay attention to that. If you don't know what that is, the two moving averages that crossed that marked the two previous bottoms for BTC. And also on the tops, when they crossed the pi cycle top indicator, they crossed 3 times, marked the top on every single cross on the exact T. So let's watch out. But nevertheless, we got those two things coming up. Everything's shaping up to what we kind of want. I think a lot of us, I don't know if a lot of us want to see it. All right. Not sure what's happening. Oh, it's the 4th of July party, man. It was a rewind to last year. Okay. Let's see. I'm with Bob. I hate people. Hey, you can't hate all people. There's a lot of great people in this world. Okay. Most people, I mean, listen, man. Most people kind of suck, but there's a lot of great people in this world, okay? I've met many great people in my life, all right? There are great people in this world. Is everyone perfect? No. No one is. But I would say I used to agree with you. I don't necessarily agree anymore. I think there's a lot of good in people. I hope so, at least. All right. What else we got? The biggest channel on the interwebs? God. You don't want to see that right now, man. You don't want to see that right now. What is Bit... we'll see what BitBoy thinks in a second. Let's go back to the charts here. Bitcoin's still chilling below that level here. The question is, are we going to see a dump tonight, or are we going to see it tomorrow? I don't know. Let's find out in the next... I want to see how the futures open up, and I want to see... What else do we got, guys? I mean, we kind of looked at everything. Oh, the monthly close. All right. The whole point of the video today. The monthly close coming up tomorrow. Where are we sitting, actually? And it's quite interesting, actually, where we're sitting. We're sitting right to the right of this yellow vector candle in the monthly time frame. Look at this, man. If we close at 19,700 tomorrow, you can't tell me that this shit's not rigged, bro. You can't tell me this shit's not rigged. Let's see if we close there. If we close tomorrow at 19,700, you guys all have to give me a cookie, okay? Every single one of you has to give me a cookie. All right, so take it for what it is. Do we have a deal? We close at 19.7 tomorrow. You give me a cookie. Let me know in the chat. But yeah, we got a yellow vector candle coming in right there. We wicked to the bottom wick of that yellow vector candle looking left last month. The monthly looks like shiza. And quite honestly, that yellow vector candle is also right at the previous all-time high. You guys see back here in December 2017. We're sitting right above the 2017 highs right now. We wicked below. That's a very, very interesting number. I want to see the close tomorrow above 19,700. We get it closed below there tomorrow. Same thing as the daily time frame. Oh boy, man. So for all my bulls in the chat right now, let's hope for a close above the previous all-time high. Let's get busy. You guys know what we're gonna do. Spam the swords, spam the shields in the chat. Let's get it, man. Bulls! This is one of our last lines of defense. We are sitting at a measly 20K with the previous 2017 high sitting at 19,700. If we break this, we are absolutely fucked. And yes, I did swear for all the children out here. I did swear. Because quite frankly, I don't care anymore. If we break 20K, we are all dead anyway. So spam the swords and spam the shields in the chat. Screw everything you have behind you. Okay? We will fight to the death and we will win this battle. Okay? Let's freaking get busy. Pump it. All right. I love there's actually some people putting swords and shields today. Who is this freak? The dude, you watch the stream every time. Don't be trolling, man. Don't be trolling. You watch this stream every single day. Holy moly, man. No, in all honesty, guys, I mean, we don't want to close below the monthly. All right, close below the monthly, it's going to look pretty shady. All right, if the monthly doesn't already look shady. The monthly already looks absolutely like dog shit. So let's hope we don't close below there, okay? Yeah, I mean, that's really all I have to say about the monthly time frame. There's not much else to say. I mean, we just want to hold that previous all-time high, guys. That's it. We break there. I mean, the next level on the monthly, I mean, I don't want to, don't call me crazy here, but the next level on the monthly is 13,890, right? That's the 2019 little spam fake pump, the 2019 fake pump level, all right? And that's also, where else we got? That's also, let me actually fix the price. You guys want to see the price? There we go, 20,070. There we go, 20,062. You guys can see the price on the top now. That's the 2019 highs and where we closed in 2017, right? So that's the next level in the monthly. So I don't want to go there. You guys want to go there? Because I don't. I don't want to go below there. Bathwater said you're crazy. Oh yeah, you think I'm crazy, Bathwater? Look who agrees with me. The best channel in the interwebs, and also the strongest channel in the interwebs, because I bench press 350 pounds one time. Ugh! TJ! First, ban that guy in the chat! Shit! Never, I got it! Wow, you're so strong, BitBoy! You're so strong! How did you get that strong? I love you! Wait, don't put me back in my cage, please! Please, I'll do anything not to go back in my cage! I'll ban everyone in the chat! I'll ban everyone! Alright. No, we're not gonna go too deep into there. Anyways, 20,066. I gotta watch what I say now. Alright, 20,092. I got a big freaking mouth, man. I really do. Even when I shouldn't have one, I do. Alright, so 20,091. Let's see. TJ Spot. Oh, Lord. Alright, so if you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. It's pretty funny. 20,089. So, Bitcoin slowly moseying its way back down. It's not seeing really any type of major dip here. Ethereum's coming down again. We said Ethereum has a little bit more room to run to the downside, guys. We're looking at this one support, two supports, and now it looks like it's trying to come back down again. So we had these two wicks, could just be coming back down to take the wicks ultimately. But we said some alts had further down to drop than BTC, because BTC was already at its 20K support, whereas a lot of altcoins are still above that same previous low, right? So I could see ETH coming all the way back down to this level here at about 1,043 in the short term. That's not terribly out of the realm of possibility here. Just looking left, it would seem super logical, even though, you know, everything doesn't always like to act logical, you know? We know that for sure. But that would seem super logical there. Super logical. I sound like Rover, man. I gotta stop saying super. It's kind of creeping me out a little bit, actually. Just a little bit creeping me out. Anyways, so that's Ethereum. ETH looks like it's coming down decently here on the hourly time frame, just stair-stepping its way back to the downside. We got the hourly stocks topping out and crossing to the downside here on ETH. So let's see, man. I mean, a lot of interesting stuff here. And we still have this yellow vector candle looking left, guys. You see this yellow vector candle in the 1 hour all the way back here on the left side, right? So it's very likely that, once again, I mean, look up, this vector candle already got taken. This one got taken, right? This one got taken. So all those already got taken. Well, you got one down here on the left. So seems logical for ETH to come back down and test these levels here, right? So that's really ETH on the short-term time frames. Nothing else to really comment on that. as far as that. I mean, we can look at all the time frames, but yeah, that's really it on that, man. When do we get a relief rally? Bro, I'm not betting on any relief rally. How many times, every single time Bitcoin gets a little pump, this is what we hear, man. Every single time Bitcoin gets a little pump. What? Strap up! This is relief rally we've all been hating for. Look, Bitcoin's pumping right now. Look, this is the relief rally. Yes, finally. Strap up. We're going to the friggin' moon. Bitcoin 30K relief rally. Here we go. Here we go. Wait, yes. We have confirmation. We have confirmation. Moon boys are falling for the pump again for the 20th time on BTC. They're falling for the fake pump again. This is too easy, man. Let's just keep taking their money. Let's keep taking their money. You know what to do now. Dump it on Jimmy's plunger. Oh, God, sounds so wrong. What? George! This is ridiculous. I thought we were gonna pump. No! George, where's the hopium? Where is it? Every single little pump. I mean, it is what it is, man. I mean, man, I will say, man. I will say it's quite cute. It's quite good. At one point, it'll play out, okay? But I remember a lot of people saying, "Oh yeah, we're gonna pump to 25K, 30K, and then we'll see what we do." Well, guys, I mean, at some point it will happen. But if you keep betting on it, obviously it's gonna happen at some point. But so far, a relief rally is a foreign concept right now for any crypto. So I'm not betting on any relief rally. Quite frankly, it'll happen at some point. I'm not gonna bet on it because you've been wrong every single time you bet on any type of relief rally. So I ain't gonna bet on no relief rally. All right. What's up, 50 cal? You make my stress go away, bro. I try my best, man. I try my best to have fun. I mean, let me put it this way: we're all in this together. Okay, all of us are in this together. A lot of us got in 2021 expecting to. A lot of people got in 2021 expecting to make life-changing gains, and it didn't go the way a lot of people wanted, right? So we're all in this together, all right? Prices are coming back down. Whether you're still holding your crypto, whether you're holding out to buy lower, we're all in this together because we all want the same thing. We all want to make money, and we all are in this to make money when the markets go up, all right? Except for the shorters. I mean, shorting crypto is fine. It is what it is, if that's how you want to do it. But if you're not into shorting, we're all in this together, okay? At the end of the day, lower prices are, I know it's a cliche to say it, and quite honestly, I'm sick of it, and that's why I don't say it enough. Lower prices are a gift, and it's a cliche. It's a cliche. I honestly sound cringy saying it, I'm going to be honest, but it's true. It really is true. You don't realize it now, but you will down the road. Doesn't mean the bottom's in, but the lower it goes, the more money you make when the prices go back up. So take that for what you will, man. We're all in this together.
Rant alert.
Stay easy, man. Stay easy. I know a lot of people are probably had a lot of money invested in crypto and are hurting right now, and I feel for you guys because, hey, it happens. It happens, man. Dame rug rigged. What does that mean? Waterfly said, "I'm not in this together with you." Waterfly, you're in this with me, my guy. You're in this with me. Liquid Electrum, what's going on, man? Love the super sticker. What is that thing? What is that thing, man?
Thank you. I am selling Hopium best bulk.
On your best bulk? It's true. Let's see. But I love the super sticker. I don't know what that thing is. Is that like a lemon that's waving at me? I don't know. I kind of like it, though. Feel these nuts. Dan, you're going to feel my claw down your spine, man. Because guess what? Who is it? Freaking, what's his name? Freddy Krueger is gonna come in your dreams and wipe his claw right down your back, man. So claw down your spine. Watch out for it, man. Watch out for it. But I appreciate it, Liquid Electrum. Handleton came in, said thank you. I'm selling Hopium at the best bulk. Appreciate it, man. You got, I guess, Hopium's Hopium, right? I mean, you could, if you need suck some Hopium, man. There's nothing wrong with sucking any Hopium. Demetrius said, what is going on with USTC? I bought some. USTC? What the hell is going on with USTC? Let's go check it out. By the way, Doge like pumped randomly again today. Doge has been doing that, man. Clint said, cute boy wearing his heart on his sleeve tonight. Clint. I think Clint trolls me because he loves me. I think that's why. I think that's why, man. All right, USTC. Let's see. What's going on with this? You bought some? Oh, Lord. I hope it works out for you, man. I really do. This thing's already going nuts, though. This thing's going absolutely nuts. USTC. This thing's up 8x in the last couple days. This thing's up almost 12x in the last week. That's pretty it's pretty shady. I don't know what's going on with this. I haven't really looked into it, but holy moly, man. That thing's going absolutely nuts. I guess I'll play the pump song for you, man. If you bought it, I hope you got it before the top here, but holy moly, man. Is it the short song? I don't know, but you guys know what we're going to hear. Let's go, baby. I just keep shorting and it's beautiful. Yeah, I mean, short everything that pumps up too much. If you see one coin that pumps up without the rest of the market, probably a good idea to short it. Not financial advice. You guys do what you want to do. That looks that looks sus. This looks very sus, man. Hey, listen. I hope it works out for you. I do. I would not be buying this at this current level here, though. Okay, especially in a bear market, because you're buying up after a 12x in 7 days in a bear market when Bitcoin's sitting right at support. That's slightly sus. Definitely slightly sus, man. We need a sus guy. We need a sus guy. Hold on. Is there a sus guy in here? Sus. Let's see if anyone's sus here. Guys, let me know who's sus. Is this guy sus? This guy's pretty sus. Yeah. He's a little sus. He's a little sus, man. Manipulation? It's manipulation. Now, be careful with that thing, man. There's not even point in doing TA on that thing. That thing's going absolutely nuts. All right, 20,136. Bitcoin's still staying in the damn range, man. Oh, Lord, this range sucked today. Holy sucked. It was a sucky day for any type of trades. Let me know if you got any profitable trades in today. I've been a lot of people long the 20K resistant, 20K support, and you probably got a nice long in there. Other than that, man, chop. Traders probably got chopped the hell out right here. Hit stops. Liquidate some more stops. Hit some more stops. Just chop all day today. Holy moly, man. Absolute choppage. Del May, appreciate the kind words. You guys have a super sus? Alright, good. We need a sus guy. Definitely wouldn't have let him around my nieces. That's so messed up, man. Oh, God, that's so messed up. He is kind of sus. That's perfect. Alright. We need a sus guy. Let's see. BTC shorts. Let's see. I'm not allowed to take candy from you? Oh, Lord. Cowan is sus. That's messed up too, man. All right. Let's move on from that. So it's 7:38. We still got a little time for the daily close. Man. Where do we end up closing today, man? It's a shady day. It's a lot of just chop price action today. Isn't that the Adam and Eve doing its back test right now? Oh, yeah, the Adam and Eve. Thank you, Mike. Holy crap, man. Sometimes I forget about even the patterns I talk about. Holy moly, man. This morning, we were talking about the Adam and Eve pattern. Okay? The Adam and Eve. How could we forget? This is like the one thing that I talked about this morning that I was hyping up. So you had the first hit, right? So you have the quick recovery, right? The V-shaped, what do you call it? Upside down V. What the hell do you call an upside down V? A teepee? Boop, boop. What's an upside down V? There's got to be a name for it. I don't know. It's kind of sus. It is kind of sus, man. But yeah, upside down V. And then you got the rounded top again, right? Which is called an Adam and Eve pattern. Okay? You can see these on the top side and the downside. You flip it over, it's a bullish pattern. Like this, it's a bearish pattern. Right now, we're testing that neckline. Okay, this neckline is this green box coming across. We break this green box. It's off to the races. You guys want a little example? Here's an Adam and Eve. Double top Adam and Eve pattern, right? Little, a pyramid. Okay, a pyramid. We got a pyramid, a round out top. You break down from it, you back test, you continuation down, right? Classic Adam and Eve pattern. So we'll see if it plays out. I'm not skeptical. I will say I'm a little bit. It's an interesting spot because you guys know my take. Daily, I think we're coming back down to the lows again. Is it going to be right now? Is the question. I want to see how we react to this level again because we already tested it earlier. We held. Wasn't the greatest move to the upside. I want to see how we react to the lows again here. But if that happens again, we want to watch for the breakdown, the back test, manipulation, move back down to the downside. All right, that's what we want to see here, man. That's what we want to see. Hold on, guys. No, we're not going to do that, actually. Wait, why is there Peter Griffin here? Does Peter Griffin work? No? Where's there sushi? I love some of this shit sometimes. Yo! Oh, this shit looks so good, man. I can't eat rice. Oh, yeah. That's looking really, really fire right there, that sushi. Anyways. Pretty chilling at 20,100. Who makes this shit up? When's the... You want that, Clint? You want that? All right, let's see what Market Makers thinks. You guys know Market Makers has some of the best patterns there is. Let's bring on Market Makers, guys. Let's see. Let's bring on Market Makers to see what pattern he thinks is coming on. Give myself just a second, guys. What's going on, guys? It's Brendan from Market Makers. It's Brendan from Market Makers here, back with another pattern. Okay, so Jordan thinks this is an Adam and Eve pattern, but no, this is not an Adam and Eve pattern, guys. If you look at the pattern, it is no resemblance of Adam and Eve, okay? This is simply an upside down Brontosaurus with no spike pattern. Okay, it's a super bearish pattern. You guys can see exactly where the Brontosaurus comes in. All right, if you look at it, we have the Brontosaurus tail coming in right here. But the thing that makes the Brontosaurus pattern very bearish, guys, is you get the move back up, but you don't see the spike. Okay, if you see the spike back to the upside, you see that spike come up on the Brontosaurus, that is when it dumps the downside. But instead, we got the round out back. Okay, and now in order to nullify the Brontosaurus pattern and to make it bullish, we want to pump to the upside and make the massive neck of the Brontosaurus. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at here, guys. This could be a bullish pattern too. We break to the upside here, Brontosaurus pattern confirmed. All right, so that's all I have today, guys. Have a great rest of your day. This is not an Adam and Eve pattern. Don't listen to Jordan. He's an idiot. All right, adios. Peace. Thank you, Market Makers, man. Thank you, Market Makers is so great, man. I love having him as a guest on the show. He's one of my favorite guests to have. If you don't know Market Makers, he's a great guest, guys. Some of the best patterns you can find in the crypto business, okay? All right. Let's see. It's a camel pattern. All right, let's see. Mr. Clean. Liquidated hair. Liquidated the hair. That's brutal. Jordan, look at the S&P 500 futures on the 4-hour. Let me check out. Let me just check here, see if it's open yet. Sometimes this takes a little bit to really go here. Let's see. Yeah, nothing there yet. We'll check that in a little bit, man. I want to get it I want to get a little bit more time frame because it's probably super early in that. So let's get a little bit more time frame in that, and then we can check that. In the meantime. Some of you guys said Luna Classic's going nuts still. Luna Classic, man. Luna Classic. Some of you said Luna Classic's going nuts. Dude. This is crypto. This is crypto right here. This is the reason why crypto's fun, man, because there really is opportunities. Like some of the times, man, this shit happens. Man, you gotta just laugh at this, man. And I hope people are making a shitload of money with this, man. I really do. It's just funny how this shit works, right? Out of everything that could be pumping, Luna Classic is pumping. It's hilarious. It is hilarious. I'm happy for everyone that's making money though. So hey, I gotta give it to you, man. It just continues higher. So congrats, anyone that had Luna Classic from the bottom. Hey, you made a little money. There you go, man. There you go. Congrats, man. Still time for your short? No, this is another one I probably wouldn't touch. This one has a mind of its own right now, bro. I shorted at 0.15. Oh god. I hope he got stopped out, man. Luna Classic is sucking in the gambler to steal more of their money when the bottom falls out. Yeah, true. Wanna fly. Love you, brother. Love you, brother. Thanks for spamming that like button, man. Yeah, guys, we can spam that like button. Like we said, I haven't really been spamming it today like yesterday, but if there's any way we can hit 800 likes on today's stream, we'll give away some more memberships. Okay? 5 more today. If we hit 800 likes on today's stream. If not, hey, tomorrow's always another day, you know? And always another day. All right, so what else do we got, guys? Let's go check out our. I hold a modest bag and it's still effed up. It is kind of crazy, isn't it? The fact Quan projects are pumping is a red flag in the space. Isn't that a bottom? I would say that's facts. I would definitely say that's facts, man. All right, let's check out our crypto bubbles. I love these bubbles, man. Sometimes I just go on here and throw them around. Is that weird? Is that weird? That's like something Bob would do. Let's go see what Bob's doing in his room. Wow! Where did you find these bubbles? This one's huge! I make myself laugh, man. You don't appreciate yourself unless you can make yourself laugh. You can't. If you can't sit down and make yourself laugh, you gotta work on that. All right. Anyways, I can entertain myself. I really can. All right. Yeah, but look at Luna Classic, taking up like half the board, 48.5%. All right. That's it's not looking too bad there. So Luna Classic's going up. Luna is up 8.5%. This is ridiculous. Look what's up today. Okay, look what's up today. Luna Classic's up 48.2%. Luna's up 8.5%. Okay, the coin that rugged everyone, and it's new coin. You got to be kidding me, man. So those are the top 2 gainers in the top 100. Looks like in the last 24 hours. Doge is up 4.4, Bats up 2.2, OKB up 2.5, Leo up 3, BTT dumped 9.5. So, I mean, not a lot of huge gainers, losers, but Luna Classic going nuts. Absolutely ridiculous, bro. Absolutely ridiculous. Is this real life? That's crypto for you. You know? Warning shot fire. Quite literally there. No pun intended. No pun intended. Okay, you guys know what no pun intent? You guys know what pun means? You guys know what pun means? Let me know. I'm done with crypto, buying government bonds. Tomorrow morning, 18K. Oh yeah, I would say the price action looks shady, man. It definitely looks shady. I don't like the bounce off of 18 or sorry, off 19.8, the retrace, the rejection off the 50, and I don't like the fact that you know, I don't like the fact that you kind of broke that neckline there. If we close the hourly, the next 10 minutes, I would want to see this, all right, in the next 10 minutes. If there's any really, you know, if this wants to look a little bit more optimistic for me, if we can close the next 10 minutes above 20,125, which is this little consolidation high as far as a close goes, if we can get back up and close back above there, awesome. I mean, at the end of the day, that might just be, you know, it's not really a W formation. It's kind of like a triple bottom, right? Force back to the upside, back test, and then maybe you can look for that continuation. But if we close below there, I would say as far as just like a technical standpoint, I wouldn't like that close. I wouldn't like that close. Doesn't mean it can't just like reverse and go back to the upside, but I generally wouldn't like that close there. Someone said 18,000 by tomorrow morning. If we're at 18,000 by tomorrow morning, that means tomorrow is going to be an interesting day. 18,000 by tomorrow morning, you're saying we back down here? I will say, if by any chance, and look at how close we're getting to this daily close, guys. 20,092, we got 10 minutes until the daily close. We want to see a daily close. It's not the end-all, be-all. We could just dump below this on the open. But we want to see a daily close above 19,982. Right now, we're literally $100 above that right now. Okay? It looks like more. But we're only $100 above that right now. So it's going to be an interesting close. Let's see if they push it down before the close. If not, could they open it and just dump it again? Sure. Sure. What's up, Telepathic? Thanks for the super chat, man. Appreciate you, man. You believe that BTC going to 18K, but you do not want to say that, I think. Oh, no, I think Bitcoin's going to 18K, for sure. I've said that every single day. Bitcoin is going back to 18K. If you don't think that, well, I don't know what to tell you, man. Let's see. Quinn said, you don't seem to like anything tonight, champ? Yeah, I mean, the charts look like shit, if I'm going to be honest. Yeah, the charts don't look great tonight, in my opinion. I mean, people can have different opinions, but they don't. I don't like what I'm seeing. I don't like what I'm seeing. Now that could change. We know crypto can flip on a dime like that. We know how that works. But as we know, guys, as we know, you know what it is. You know what it is. There's no volume. There is literally no volume on the charts. Bitcoin can't even get a relief rally that's bigger than 5K. I've never seen the charts more bearish in my life. The world is burning. The world is literally burning behind us. Everyone's using credit cards. Housing's about to crash. Groceries are up 2x. People are paying $11 for gas. People are making the same amount of money at their jobs. Yeah, we think a bull market's gonna start. There is literally no volume coming in. Drop it, bulls. Christ. I'm old and even I know this. My balls hit the friggin' floor. My balls sag to the point where I stub them every single day against the floor. And even I know that Bitcoin's not pumping, you friggin' imbeciles. My brain is half deteriorated. Oh God, man. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Oh Lord. Just kill me. Someone said that's the most this guy has ever spoken. He's very passionate right now, man. Don't mess with him. All right. Yeah, but 20,072. All right. 20,072. Man, we're going to get. Let's watch the daily close, tonight, guys. Let's hang out. Let's watch the daily close. Because we can talk gibberish, jabberish, dooberish. Until then, but let's talk some dibberish, dabberish, dooberish. As far You guys are cracking me up in the chat. Clint, I love when Clint laughs in the chat, man. That's the best. That guy hangs. That guy hangs at every local bar and knows it all. Who hangs at local bars? Does anyone in the chat hang out at local bars? Let me know. Let me know. Because I know some people like to go to bars and just kind of hang out. You know, which there's nothing wrong with, right? Sometimes like going to watch a game at the bar is nice. Just kind of sitting there. But who's a local bar type of guy? Like who hops off the stream and goes and sits at a bar and maybe watches like a sporting. I was saying sporting game. I sound like an idiot. Like a sports game or something. Who does it? Who does it? It's nothing because R. Kelly is going to prison for 30 years. Well, it's another one. Hooters, nice. The strip bar. You go to the strip bar every night? Sometimes, said Creighton. Do any of you guys, let me ask you guys this question, because some people are like really weird about this. And be honest. Have you ever gone and sat at a bar by yourself just to watch like a game or something? Let me know in the chat. A lot of people are too afraid to admit this. I've totally done that before. It's actually quite satisfying. It's actually quite satisfying. Let me know if you've ever done that. When I watch sports, okay, I like to sit down and I like to enjoy the game. You know, when you watch sports like a friend or with your family and stuff, they love to chit chat, and quite frankly, you know, chit chatting's great. I like to chit chat clearly a lot most of the time, but like when I'm watching a game, I don't like to talk to people, man. I want to watch the game. I'm watching the game. I'm not here to go, oh yeah, how's your day? And the game's going on behind me. No, I'm not trying to do that. Okay, it's relaxing and peaceful. It's great. I actually enjoy doing it, quite frankly. I've done it, but it can feel weird, especially when people are staring at you. No, it doesn't. I've never gone to the bar and seen someone sit by themselves and be like, that guy's weird. I'm being like, that guy has the balls to go sit at a bar and watch a game and be peaceful, right? Maybe he just doesn't want to be annoyed while he watches the game. I don't know. I give him some credit, man. A lot of you guys look like you do. That's actually awesome. I watch your stream at a bar. That's pretty impressive, man. You put it on the TV. See, he hates people too. I think everyone hates people up to a certain extent. You just got to find people that you enjoy, right? Find people that either make you laugh or you know, don't make you feel like an idiot, like an idiot or a shithead. You know, not every person in the world's bad, I would say. Wait, are we watching? Wait, why are people watching you? What are you doing? Why are people watching me? What am I doing? We're watching a sports game. No, I'm just kidding. We're kind of watching like a horse race. Right now, Bitcoin's just chilling. We could see some movement on the daily close. So let's see. The daily close, man, we're still sitting about $100 above the level we want to close back above. Looks like we could be safe right now, knock on wood, as we dump like $100 in the next 3 minutes. Let's see. Let's go check out ETH. ETH right now, it's holding up. Luna Classic, I'm sure, is going nuts still. Look at Luna Classic, man. This thing just doesn't want to chill out. Holy moly. Breaking highs again. There you go, bro. Congratulations. Luna Classic. Let's get it. Clint said, no bars for me. Stop years ago. Too many fisticuffs. Had to retire from that. Yeah, I get it. There's some idiots that go to those places. So I don't really go to those places anymore either, to be honest. It's not really my scene. I think at a certain point, you kind of grow out of that and you're like, this is kind of dumb. But hey, that's just my opinion. And if I was to go to a bar, it would just be for, I don't know, every once in a while, or I don't know. In general, I don't really go anymore, to be honest. To me, it's like, I don't know. I can't really explain it, I guess. Almost forget the song. Nice. Not you, the guy who said people were watching him at the bar. Yeah, who cares? Who cares who's watching you at the bar? That's one. I think that's a problem with some people. Is people care too much about what people think about them. Sometimes I'm guilty about that too. I mean, everyone is guilty of that, but I try my best to not allow that. Everyone is like, oh my god, this person thinks this about me. Who gives a shit, man? Who gives a shit? Their life probably sucks. What do you care about them? And they're making fun of you because you're at a bar by themselves? Their life probably sucks, right? I mean, let's be honest. Who gives a shit what people think about you, right? Because most of the people, like, everyone's gonna have opinions about different people. That's just human nature. You can't fight that. But who cares what other people think about you, right? So, who cares, man? All right. Anyways, we're off topic. Daily time frame. Let's see. So we did get the close above on the daily. Let's see what we do on the open now. Let's see what we do. So, let's see. Waste of money? Yeah, it is a waste of money, man. When you go to the bar listen, I used to do this, but when you go to the bar every weekend, you're spending $15 a drink, right? No, man. Think about all that money. You put $15 into an altcoin. Hey, man. Everything about the way I think about it is this, right? And it's not about everything, but if I was to go out, right, and I was to spend, let's say $100 when I went out, right, on drinks, okay? If I really wanted a drink, I could just buy it at the store and drink it here, okay? And $100, you put that in altcoins. Hey, man, could be 10, 20x in the next 2 years. It's not worth it for me. To me, I look at it as, all right, if it's not something that you're doing to... I'm getting so off topic here. I could go on in days about this stuff. We'll talk about this later when we get to the weird shit part of the stream. But right now we're getting some price action. So let's see. So we did dip below that M formation low. Okay? We dipped below. We came back down and back tested. Now let's see if Bitcoin wants to dump back down to the downside. Let's see. Let's see. Vector candles at Luna on 125. Oh, God. That would be insane. Imagine if Luna just says F you and just pumps up to $125. It's crazy. Think about what crypto I can buy. True. Waterfly said, I only care what Bathwater and Drew think of me. Hey, those are two pretty good people to think, man. Two pretty good people to think. Those two have been in this stream for years. No, just kidding. It's actually been over a year now, probably for all of them. Which is actually funny to think about. It actually is years, technically, right? We've been streaming for like 1.4 years, right? So you gotta say it's been years, technically speaking. It's over 1 year. Okay, don't shoot the messenger. All right, let's see if Bitcoin wants to come back down now, guys. 20,100. Let's watch some short-term price action. as gruesome as it can be sometimes. Daily close, like we said, we closed at 20,133. We did close above the daily close lows, so all is good there until we probably break those. So nothing really to comment on the daily until those break. What else do we got here, man? We got the monthly close coming up tomorrow, so obviously we have that to look out for. Let's look at the fear and greed ads. See what we got going on today. Barat, what's going on? Morning, J. Dot. It's morning where you are. Congratulations, man. You got a whole day ahead of you. I got a night ahead of me, unfortunately. Right? I unfortunately got a night ahead of me, man. All right, let's see what we're looking at. See what Bob thinks about this. Bob is probably going nuts right now, man. Let's see how fearful I should be today. Let's see. 11? 11 on the fear and greed? Fuck! Shit! God! 11? It keeps getting worse! It's so fearful! What am I supposed to do? I can't live my life in fear! I'm broke! I'm fat. All I drink is Mountain Dew. I have freaking diabetes. I'm so scared. My life sucks. But I have big traps. My traps are huge. Shit. I can't fit in that True Classic tee. It's too small. You think I can fit in that? Alright. So some of you guys said 11's actually good right now. And eat meatloaf. Extreme Fear 11. No, we're at 11 though. So right now, what is this? Purchase Afghani. Is that how you say the what is this, man? Is that how you say the Afghan currency? Is Afghani? I didn't even know that, man. I didn't even know that. What else do you guys see here? Let's see. We're still clumped up. We're still so clumped up. What does George think about being clumped up? Let's see. No, honey. Honey, I'll be in for dinner in a second. Hold on. I'm looking at the Fear and Greed Index. No, don't come in. Don't come in. Don't come in. Yeah, I'll be at the dinner table in a second. The Fear and Greed Index is clumped up again. All right, I'm done with the Fear and Greed Index, man. We've looked at this enough. We've looked at this enough, man. We've looked at that enough. All right. Anyways, on to the next subject. Man. All right, .000157 for Luna Classic. I don't know. Is Luna Classic going to continue back to the upside? Who knows, man? Who knows? It's called Afghani. Each one USD is 89 Afghani, almost like Luna Classic. Interesting. I didn't actually know what the I didn't actually know what the Luna Classic what the Afghan currency was. So that's you learn something new every day. That's pretty fascinating. I don't know why I'm speaking like I'm like that, but it is what it is. I don't know why I'm saying fascinating. Like I'm some professor. Like I have a PhD. I don't got no PhD. I got a PhD in these nuts. No, but DXY. So yeah, I mean the DXY is going nuts, man. I mean, what do you guys think about this? You guys think the DXY is going to come up and break the highs? Let me know in the chat. Let me actually do a poll real quick. Let me do a poll here real quick. Do you think Bitcoin will break 19K by 4th of July? Do you think Bitcoin will break 19K by 4th of July? Yes or no? It also kind of is the inverse correlation. Oh, God. No! My car's going off again! Which car is it? Shit, Jordan's gonna kill me! Jordan's gonna freaking kill me! Java, turn off your freaking car, bro. My God, man. Shut your car off, bro. I don't know which one it is. Is it the Ferrari? Is it the Porsche? I just got the Porsche yesterday. Where's the keys? Here we go. It's off. It's off. There you go, Jordan. Thank you, Jabba. I appreciate you, my man. Chase, appreciate you. A yes or no poll. You gotta love the yes or no polls. Do you think Bitcoin will break 19K by the 4th of July? Let me know. Let me know. BTC dumping this weekend. No fireworks anywhere. People will be mad. Hey, Crunk. Hey, Crunk, you're always in here, man. I can't say I disagree with you, brother. You know? How many likes we at, by the way, guys? Someone let me know in the chat. I don't have that screen up here because I can't look at that, and it would take the Bitcoin price off the top if I did that. Long story. I need to fix that. How many likes we got? Let's smack up the like button. 800 likes. We are doing another membership giveaway. I want to do it, man. I want to do it. So let's get it. Morning, J. Dot. Thank you again. Thank you again, Barat. You're the absolute homie, man. Barat's always watching too, man. All right. Bitcoin's just chilling. What else do we got? Anything else? Anything else going nuts over here? Let's see. Nothing really still going nuts. Yeah, that's really it, man. So monthly closes tomorrow. If we close the monthly close tomorrow at 19,700, that's going to be nuts. That'll be nuts. It's like, that's too perfect, right? Right at the last yellow vector candle here for BTC. That would be honestly too perfect. If Bitcoin closed tomorrow at 19,700, that would be actually kind of nuts. Literally nuts. Big money will celebrate by wrecking retail, their favorite pastime. True. 441. Okay, good. You're not getting 800 real likes? I guess not, man. I guess not. We are in a bear market after all, right? We used to hit 1,000 likes easy every stream back in the bull market, man. It is what it is. It is what it is, man. You can only do what you got to do. All right. Everyone, I get it. I mean, I get it, right? Everyone's there's no enthusiasm. Everyone's pissed off, right? Everyone's freaking pissed off. I get it. Let's see. Jordan, why we hit the like button? We're freaking bottom dwellers, man. We'll hit the like button when we get the price that we want. We're just so freaking bored, man. We're all waiting for freaking 10K. Christ, man. Bitcoin's gonna hit 10K and we're gonna all be rich. And you're gonna be a bag holder, man. All right, so fuck, man. All right, I gotta go to Dunkin' Donuts. I just put my online order in. I got 100 munchkins. I get 50 jelly because they're the most calories, and I love calories. And I got 25 chocolate and 25 frosted. Those are the best munchkins, in case you guys want to know. All right, guys. I'm out of here, man. See ya, man. I'm gonna go eat some munchkins. See you guys. The bottom dweller guy just seems literally destroyed. We want horse. It's gotta be the right time for horse, man. You know, it's gotta be the right time for horse. JW said 8K. Breaking: the SEC news has rejected Grayscale's application to convert the massive Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into an ETF. Is that facts? Let me check Twitter, man. The only time I'll ever go on Twitter. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Is that facts? Let me check the facts here. Let me check the facts. A lot of inflows on exchanges getting ready for the nuke. Oh Lord, man, that doesn't sound good. I don't like the sound of that. Is that facts? Hold on, I can't see it anywhere. I don't know if that's true, man. I don't know if that's true. I don't see it anywhere. I have to wait for confirmation on that. I saw Kennedy say that in the chat, man. So I gotta wait for confirmation for that. I don't see that anywhere. No? Yeah, I don't see that anywhere, man. Yeah, guys, not a fact check. I just read that in the chat, man. I read that in the chat. Source, trust me, bro. We just got rickrolled. Desert you. You guys remember that? You guys remember back in the day you opened a YouTube video and you heard, never gonna give you up, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna turn around and desert you. That was the best. Like it was always, I was looking up the new Call of Duty to see if there was any leaks, and then it would say like new gameplay, and I would click on it and then I would get rickrolled. Every single time, man. Every single time. I miss those days. Those were the days when you got rickrolled. Let's see. George, what's going on, George Asian? All right, Aslan. I always say George Asian. That's the best. I always say George Asian. All right, Bitcoin's trying to come back up. Will it? Can it? We'll find out. Always wait for confirmation. Facts. Just rolled us. You've been rickrolled. That was my jam back in the 80s. Do-do-do-do. It's true, actually. That's facts. All right. What else we got? What else we got, guys? It's really it, man. It's really it. Right now, we're just chilling, right? We're just chilling. Looks like Bitcoin is coming back up to, I mean, if we go to like the 5-minute time frame, let's go a super short-term time frame. The 5-minute time frame, man. Are we going to get rickrolled here is the question. Will we get rickrolled? Or does Bitcoin want to pump up here? All right, could we have the hit to the upside, hit to the downside, hit to the upside, hit to the downside, retest of the M formation, continuation to the downside, and also a retest of the 50 EMA? Or does Bitcoin want to get a move above that 50 EMA? I think that's the question we all want to ask ourselves right now. And we're all wondering. Well, we shall find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. No, this is short-term time frame shit, but, you know, hey. 5-minute time frame is a 5-minute time frame. This is not really this is kind of my setup. This is kind of what I would look for. I would look for the M formation back test to short. It's just Bitcoin is right at support on sort of the macro levels, right? Bitcoin's kind of sitting right at support on like the 4-hour time frame. So it's kind of an interesting range for me to play, quite honestly. So I'm not in any trades at the moment right now because we're sitting right at the 4-hour support, but the short-term time frames, you know, looking a little iffy. But you know, all in all, hey, I'm here for the popcorn and the price action, man. That's what I'm here for right now. You want the vector candles? He does want the vector candles. We actually don't have any 5-minute vector candles looking down, to be quite honest. Never gonna say goodbye. And article on CoinDesk 5 minutes ago. Man, article on CoinDesk 5 minutes ago. That's crazy, man. Grayscale ETF denied. So, listen. Let's wait for a little bit more confirmation. We only have the news from one source. Okay, so let's wait for confirmation on that as well. CoinDesk rejected it, but what does that tell us, guys? Like, if that's true, right? If that's true, I want to wait for some more confirmation on that because a lot of times we get fake news in this space, man. There's a lot of fake news in this space. They'll say this is going to happen and it doesn't. You guys remember the Walmart Litecoin news? You guys remember that? Bet a lot of you guys FOMO'd in there. Okay? That didn't play out very well. Let's wait for confirmation. But anyways, all in all, we're getting that pi cycle bottom cross, man, and that we had the Grayscale ETF that was supposed to get either passed or denied on July 6th. These are supposed to cross on July 6th. So could that be what everyone was holding out hope for that? Okay, if that's get rejected, will that be the catalyst to bring us down and nuke us before July 6th? Let's find out. Let's find out. Everything kind of always plays together. You tell me the charts. What's the saying? Tell me the charts, I'll tell you the news. Kind of makes sense. A lot of it always makes sense. Tell me the charts, I'll tell you the news. You can say this other same thing around here. Tell me the news, I'll tell you the charts. But it depends which way you want to look at it. It'll be interesting July. Oh, it's gonna be interesting July, man. Interesting July. No Grayscale ETF. This is why I went all in. I went all in for the Grayscale ETF. CoinDesk said it's rejected? What do you mean? This was supposed to be the catalyst for the bull market. Everyone told us this was going to be the catalyst on July 6th. My leverage longs are wrecked. I'm selling right now. I am selling all my leverage longs right now. I'll be back. I'm going to check my Bybit. I'll be back. This is manipulation. Pass it. The government is against us. Yes. Yes, thank you, CoinDesk. Thank you. Thank you so much for posting that article. Yes, we posted the fake news on CoinDesk. Yes, now you know what to do. Tell them that the Grayscale ETF was actually passed. Tell them it was passed and pump it all the way to the upside right now. You know what to do. Post another article. Say it was fake. Go.
Pump it.
What? This is ridiculous. CoinDesk. This is manipulation by a news article. A news article? No. What? It was passed. You got to be kidding me. No. That would happen, man. That would happen to Horse Guy. Man. Why are there fudders in here? There's always fudders, man. To be fair, most people are fudders right now. All right, you guys think, is there a difference between fudders and meanwhile, Michael Saylor buying the dip? Oh, Lord. Every time Michael Saylor buys, it's a bad time for Bitcoin. If you go back in the past, every time Saylor buys, we drop. So that's another indication. That would be something that happened to Horse Guy, though. It got denied, and they say, "Oh no, it actually got passed." You know. Let's see. Don't believe everything you read. Facts. Let's see. FUD. Nobody will manipulates better than DCG. It's true. Bitwise ETF and Grayscale ETF both rejected. I need to I need to see the official documentation before I believe this, man. I need to see that. Let's see. Barat said Dot and AVAX. I got you on that, Barat. Stumbledore said it's time for Meatloaf Inu. Oh Lord, Stumbledore. It's almost time for Meatloaf Inu. Ead said it's legit news on the SEC website. On the FCC website. On the SEC website. Link.
It's time for Meatloaf Inu.
Lord, man. Lord. Man. I mean, to be fair, did anyone really expect this to pass? No. I didn't, to be fair. And quite frankly, hopefully this just speeds up the dumpage. Hopefully. Because a lot of people that were probably holding out for this, oh, Grayscale's going to get passed because they're threatening to sue the SEC if they get denied. Right? And then, bada bing, bada boom, didn't matter. Didn't matter at all. I'm actually curious. You guys are saying this. Hold on one second. I'm curious. Is there a Michael Saylor? No, it's not a Michael Saylor. We need a Michael Saylor guy. That's what we need. We need a Michael Saylor guy. Dot and AVAX. I'm assuming Dot and AVAX. Let's see. So AVAX coming back down. I'll just do quick altcoins, man. Quick altcoins today. Dot. Dotty dot. Let's see. 13K. Yeah, Dotty dot. Short-term time frames. I mean, if you're looking super short-term time frames. Let's see, man. Where's my freaking path? There it is. Short-term time frames. Shoulder, head, shoulder. SEC news. Back down to the downside. This looks like just another continuation pattern to the downside to me. Hourly time frame, stock RSI topped out. All right. So yeah, I'm expecting more downside for this. Simple stuff. You got this wick down here. Still expecting them to come back down and take that wick ultimately. You actually have a wick to the upside too, which is interesting. But looking low, man. You still got this yellow vector candle here on the hourly time frame, all the way back down at 16 bucks, right? And you probably have one lower too. Not all the way lower, but you do have one right down here, which they could definitely come back down and take that level there. Right here at about all the way back down to $16, right? So I'm expecting to go back down there. Doesn't have to happen right away, but that's what I'm expecting short term for AVAX. DOT's probably relatively similar. Oh man, DOT's just slow bleeding for DOT to the downside. DOT kind of the same deal, man. I mean, we look lower. You don't really have much. I mean, I'm looking at this yellow vector candle down here too, man. You see this one right here at the lows? That's what I'm looking for. You look right. There's not really much support looking left in this area. I'm looking for 654, man. Hourly stocks curving to the downside. This looks like it has more downside in it. But I expect Bitcoin to sort of chill to the downside here. So I'm expecting altcoins to. You know? That's what the hourly charts are telling me. You go to the daily, it's probably saying the same thing. Yeah, look at the daily, man. The daily looks like Shiza. The daily, you just broke the daily lows right here. Looks like you're breaking the daily lows right now. Daily looks like it's coming back down to take those daily wicks. Look, the daily looks like Shiza, man. Daily stock RSI still has room to run to the downside. It's coming to take the wicks. You know? You guys remember when everyone was getting pumped right here? Oh, Lord. Guys, how many times are we going to fall for these? Come on, man. Can we be real here real quick?
Rant alert.
We got to start waiting for confirmations, man. We can't, every time we pump, we're like this. Bulls, we are pushing them back. This is the relief rally we've been waiting for. Bitcoin's going to 30K. Yes. Spam the swords. Attack. No, not the swords. Bring the shields. Bring the goats. Have the goats attack too. This is the relief rally. Yes. I think it's Scottish Viking. But yeah, I mean, every single time we have these little relief rallies, everyone gets pumped. Let's start waiting for confirmations, guys. We keep saying the same thing over and over again. So let's start saying that. A rumor, okay. Thoughts on seller? Let's see. It's time for Meatloaf Inu. Is Meatloaf Inu actually a coin? Is it? It is legit news on the SEC website. Okay, good to know. Waterfly said, boss, wrench for JW. Bat Frog. I concur with Drew. Okay, JW. I mean, I was actually talking to JW in the pregame lobby yesterday. I was like, JW, no bias, but I hope you win the membership giveaway. Okay, and he did. He did. Totally not manipulated. He did win it, fair and square. It was like it was meant to be. I literally wanted it to happen, and that's why it happened, man. It was great. All right, JW from Mod. There we go. JW's in here every day. He deserves it, man. A lot of people are here every day. I'm not saying I'm not saying that. All right, so yeah, it's 8:30. We kind of chilling right now, man. We kind of chilling. We chilling. Most mods are like middle school hall monitors. No, I mean, as long as you're not talking about political stuff, don't talk about politics. Keep personal things out, right? You can talk shit about crypto. If you want to say Jordan sucks at charting, sure. If you want to say Jordan's an idiot, sure. If you want to say Jordan's a clown, sure, man. I've seen all that shit. Just don't bring up political shit. Don't bring up personal attacks to people, all right? Keep it crypto, okay? Crypto jokes only. There's no problem, man. There's no problem. What I notice is when people complain about mods, this is usually what they do. Christ, man. I want to talk about politics in the chat. Let's talk about politics. Let's go in the chat and talk about politics. Let's see. Biden sucks. Wait, why did I just get banned? Why did I just get banned? This is ridiculous. The mods are literally on a power trip. They're literally on a power trip. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm gonna message Jordan right now and tell him I did nothing wrong. Jordan, I got banned by your mod, and they're literally on a power trip right now. It's ridiculous, man. It's like, dude, come on, man. Let's be real. That's it. So don't talk about how Biden has a Bybit long and watches market makers. I mean, the president needs to do that. I mean, the president already knows what's going to happen to the market before it does. Why do you think the presidents don't actually make that much money salary-wise? How do you think that they get so rich after they're president? Come on, man. It's obvious. It's obvious, man. You know why they do. Everyone knows it. It's just kind of one of those unspoken things. It's the all of freaking the government. It's kind of one of those unspoken things that no one talks about. Or people do talk about it, but it is what it is. All right, anyways. Besides the point. Now I'm talking about that shit. All right, anyways. I'm about to buy more. I'm on Twitch. It's the same thing. What's a mod? I'm not saying... Speaking? I don't know about speaking, man. What about Matic? It's because of tacos. Hey, tacos are good, man. I love my tacos. I would say I miss my tacos right now. My mouth is salivating for tacos. Salivating for tacos. I'm missing my wraps. That's actually really it. I mean, I can eat my tacos just without wraps. And I miss my wraps, man. I miss my wraps. Can we guys, do you like tacos? And let me know. Here we go. I need to get it out because I miss my taco. What's your favorite kind of taco? Do you guys like well, we kind of just watch BTC. Nothing. BTC's not doing shiza right now, man. It's going up, down, sideways, whip-de-woo, whoop-de-woo. All right? You guys know what Bitcoin's doing now. We've talked about Bitcoin for the last hour and a half. Give me a break, man. All right, so do you guys like tacos? You know, do you like, what the frick is it called, man? Do you like ground beef? Do you like chicken? Do you like ground chicken? Do you like ground pork? Do you like veggie tacos? Do you like fish tacos? What kind of tacos do you like, man? Let me know. What kind of sane person doesn't like tacos? Facts. You have to be I'll keep it very R-rated. You have to be an idiot not to like tacos. There's nothing bad that's inside a taco. Wraps, delicious. Okay? If you don't like meat, that's fine. Tomatoes, delicious. Rice, delicious. Beans, delicious. Guac, delicious. Cheese, delicious. Everything that's in there is delicious. There's no way you can't like tacos. If you say you don't like tacos, you're just a weird freaking person, man. Like, what do you not like anything? You're one of those people that's like, do you like pizza? Do you like pizza? I hate when I ask people this because they're lying, man. Hey, do you like pizza? No, I don't think I really like pizza. No, I don't really like pizza. It doesn't taste good to me. No, it doesn't really taste good to me. You know, I love bread, I love cheese, and I love pasta sauce, but I don't like pizza. I just don't like to eat pizza. Yeah, it doesn't taste good. Shut the hell up, Karen. You like the taste of pizza, you just don't want to eat it. There's a difference. There's a difference between not liking something and not wanting to eat it, Karen. Okay? So get out of here. It's the same process. Anyways, I'm getting super off topic. Again, I always get off topic. 20,071. So Bitcoin's kind of trying to chill like a villain right now. Trying to come back down again for like the 8th time on stream. So let's see if we get anything here. If you hate tacos, you hate life. True. True. I'm salivating for hot girls tacos. I hope that means actually. I hope that means an actual taco. Oh Lord, you sound like my wife. That's I get that. A lot of my aunts say that. I don't like this. I don't like this. Yes, you do. Bullshit. You like every ingredient in there. You gonna tell me you don't like it? Come on. I don't trust people that don't like pizza. Me either, because they're lying. They're not telling the truth. They're not telling the truth. Everyone likes pizza. Everyone. They like the flavor. They might not like to eat it, but they like the flavor. All right. So, anyways, let's see what we got going on here. Can you do a cooking YouTube channel? I was actually thinking about doing that. I always have ideas about channels. At the end of the day, like, I need to be passionate about something in order to do it every day. And I'm an okay cook for me. I like the things that I cook for myself. As far as like gourmet shit, I'm not a gourmet cook over here, you know. But I can definitely cook things myself that I like. I always lick the hot sauce off the top of my tacos. That sounds so. Drew said, I dated a girl not too long ago who told me I don't like pizza. Was the last date we went on. Yeah, you know what kind of girl she's going to be. I don't like anything. Wait, what do you want to get tonight, honey? What do you want to get tonight? I don't know. I don't really like anything. Yeah, you know how that's going to be. How? Let's see. How is the the Ponzi NFT game going? It's a bear market, man. People love the shit on Steppen right now. What in crypto is up? NFTs have gotten annihilated. So I can say the same thing. How's your Bored Apes going? How's your NFT going? It's the same damn thing. Every NFT is down. Okay? Every crypto is down. It's a freaking bear market, man. Come at me when GMT is at $6 to $8 in the next bull market. Come at me, man. You guys will all be FOMOing into the Steppen. I'm telling you. So just give it time. It's a bear market. Just like Solana's down 90% from the highs. ETH is down 90% from the highs. It's the same damn thing, man. Just wait. Hey, it's the same thing as accumulating during a bear market of an altcoin. I don't know. You pick. Rejects your pick. That's so true. I don't know what I want. Can you pick today, Robert? Yeah, why don't we go get some Mexican food tonight, honey? No, I don't want Mexican food. That's so true. Oh, Lord. That's when you just say, all right, you know what? I'm going to eat what I want. Screw this. I was going to buy an NFT, but I couldn't decide between the 4 billion of them, which was best. Rant alert. Everything's down.
Rant alert.
If you dislike pizza, that's a poor decision making. It's a full customizable food. True. Horse guy for president. Oh, Lord. I have a feeling we're going to see a dump tonight. That's why I'm kind of staying on right now, guys. Even though Bitcoin's kind of doing a little whip-de-woo, doop-de-doo. I think we're going to see a dump tonight. As soon as this grayscale news gets into effect, I'm surprised it didn't dump right away. But I would not be surprised if we break 20K tonight. That would be the perfect opportunity to do so. You know, unless the market makers want to bring the price up, trap some more longs to the upside before moving it back down. I could see this point being the night that we break 20K. Just based off that news. But hey, let's find out. Let's find out tonight, man. So we're still chilling. We've talked about charts for an hour and a half. So at some point it gets a little monotonous. You know, it's not like a bull market where there's like, everything's kind of doing its relative own thing for the most part, right? Some coins pump this day, some coins pump that day. It's a little bit different, you know. Dots, yeah, Polkadot's still coming down. A lot of alts are still coming down. Uni. Max said I'm never wrong. Nice. Shib's coming down a little bit. Matic's coming down a little bit. It is what it is. Chin Chin. What's up, Beaky? Everyone's pretty nice today. Is Horse Guy the pencil neck, or are they different people? No, they're different people. I mean, Horse Guy is more of a guy who has a little bit of problems. Clearly has a little bit of problems, man. You know? Yeah, we still watch. This is like my TV show. Let's look back in Bitcoin history. We can do that. Let's do it, Lewis. Let's do it. So back in Bitcoin history, let's see, man. What do we got going on here? Thanks, Jack. Better than every TV show. And it's okay. It's okay. What do we got going on here? What do we got going on in Bitcoin's history? What do we got going on? Jordan! We can't look at Bitcoin's history. You can't compare 2018 to the current price action. It's so different. Christ, you keep trying to look at 2018 and 2014 and say, yeah, this is where the market's going to top the bottom. So sick of this channel, man. Just tell us Bitcoin's going to 14K. Stop giving us hopium. We know where it's going. Okay? Christ, I'm sick of this freaking hopium, man. Christ, if you're still giving out hopium, you're an idiot. Christ, man. Anyways, Annoying Bob. What can we look at? I mean, it's a lot of the same deals, man. You know, the longer term time frames, the 300 MA is sitting at 16,500. That's where if Bitcoin sees that drop below its previous low, I think you'll see an initial bounce off the 300 moving average. But what I will say is you didn't even respect the 200. You guys remember up here? We didn't even respect the 200 moving average. We just dumped straight through it like it was butter. Bitcoin did not care about the 200 moving average. Is it going to care about the 300 moving average? You know? I mean, the most logical levels are the 300 moving average at 16,600. That's where we dropped to in the March of 2020 crash. All right? 14K, which is the 2019 high. And then 10K, which is, there's a lot of price action and correlation to 10K, right? But quite frankly, I mean, looking at these levels is cool and all, but the price is going to keep going down, in my opinion, until the economy turns around. And the economy is shit, okay? So, if you want to be real. And I know a lot of people like to say if you take the top to the bottom, okay, it's about an 85% drop, all right, from the top to the bottom, like my good guy here. The third biggest channel in the interwebs. TJ, we have to get a little bit better at our channel, man. Christ, we're dropping down the rankings. We're the third biggest channel now. Christ, man, how are we getting past so easily, man? We gotta pass this Coin Bureau guy and this altcoin daily guy, man. We're getting absolutely crushed right now. Anyways, the biggest channel in the interwebs. Let's just like, guys, today we're gonna talk about how Bitcoin usually drops 85% in bear markets, man. So we dropped 85% from our previous high. That would bring us down to 10K. This is some top tier analysis. 85% down from the previous high is 85K. Okay, what we did back in 2018 is the same thing. From the swing high to the swing low, we saw an 85% drop. Again, 85% drop. If we go back to, say, 2014, this is some top tier analysis, man. From the swing high to the swing low, we saw an 87% drop. So we should be expecting an 85% drop this time, because clearly everything that's happened in the past is happening in the future. Okay, so that's all I have to say, guys. Have a fantastic day. You know, that's really all I have to say today. No, third biggest channel. Don't be saying that in the chat. Don't be freaking saying that in the chat, TJ. They're making fun of me. They're making fun of us in the chat. You know what to do, TJ. But BitBoy, I can't ban them. I love our viewers. Why do you hate them so much? They're low IQ idiots. A bunch of low IQ idiots in here. Ban them now. All right, we gotta chill. 20,016. See what happens next. Let's see what happens next. Oh man! All right, guys. I gotta call it a stream here. Bitcoin's. It looks to be cliff diving here. What do you think? You guys think I should stay on for a little bit longer? If I stay on for a little bit longer, I'm probably just going to be chilling, guys, because I'm out of energy at this point. If I'm going to be completely honest, you guys know I'm honest. I'm out of energy at this point. So if I stay on, if you don't mind me just chilling and talking, I'll stay on a little bit longer. Should I stay on a little bit longer? Let me know. Let me know, man. Let me know in the chat. Meanwhile, had to let that one out. I've been waiting for a while for that one. And don't leave us, bitch. Oh, Lord. Let me know. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you subscribe. We're here every day, 2 times a week. All right, sorry, 2 times a week. That would be so brutal. 2 times a day during the week, 8:30 a.m. and 7 p.m. Monday to Friday. And we're going to start coming out with member streams starting tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll come up with the idea. I want to start doing some more, like, for members, a little bit more, in-depth stuff for members and stuff. I mean, it's not going to be anything crazy. Just that stuff that I look at and doing some, looking back in time and looking at some previous price action. And then sometimes I like to look at previous price action to learn about future price action. We'll probably do something like that tomorrow. Should be a fun time. I want to start doing more streams for the members. So I'll let you guys know what time. Actually, let's do that. Let's do that stream at. Trying to see what time we should do that one at. Let's do that stream at 1 o'clock. Let's do that stream at 1 o'clock tomorrow. 1 o'clock. All right. Sell a fart jar. Yes, a little longer. We'll see. We're cliff dwelling. Talk about aliens? Fuck it. We'll talk about aliens. All right. Let's see. Aliens, man. I actually was watching some space. I was watching some space stuff. Okay. Yesterday, and it blew my mind. I was watching. Don't ask me why I was watching this, man. Sometimes I just go down the rabbit hole. I was watching some space stuff last night about what is at the end of space, and it would blow my mind, man. There's no end to space. Space is infinity, and inside every infinity there is infinity. So my mind is blown. I cannot fathom anything in my life right now. I don't know what we are, and that's about the rabbit hole I went through tomorrow, man. You know. All right, Drew, I got you. We're gonna talk about space and aliens. I don't know what was going on. Okay. All right, let me put a disclaimer on the screen here, because people like to come in when I start talking about other stuff other than crypto. People like to come in and talking about nonsense. Rewind for Bitcoin analysis, because you know what, I'm gonna start doing that, because people like to come into the stream and say, oh, Jordan's talking about nonsense. All right, so we're gonna put this on here, talking about nonsense, rewind for Bitcoin analysis. And I'm gonna stay on for my homies that like to just sit and chit chat. That's what I'm gonna do here. All right, here we go. Let's put this here. Let's zoom into the 15-minute chart, and we'll see if anything happens. But rewind, talking about nonsense, rewind for Bitcoin analysis. There we go. But yeah, I mean, not saying it was aliens, ever expanding. Dude, it's crazy because when you think about it, right? Space, okay? Space goes on. Space goes on literally. Great spelling. Thank you, man. It's crazy because if you think about it, space goes on forever. And what they said is, if space is infinity, which they think it is, that means that in some galaxy there's a version of our world that we're doing the exact same thing, which is absolutely crazy. If space is infinity, that means there's another world just like this, that everything's going on the exact same. Because think about it, if every possibility is infinity, that means there's a second one of this one, and probably a third, and a fourth, and a fifth. Absolute craziness, man. The other thing that's crazy is that I've actually just found this out. Everything that we see in the sky might not be there right now. So if you guys see like a star in the sky, that's a sun, that star might not actually be there. All right? You guys know why in the chat? You guys know why in the chat? Why is that in the chat? Okay. Well, that is because it takes light years so when you see something in the sky, you see it through the light, right? And it takes a certain amount of light to go from the sun that you see to the earth. So if you don't see the sun anymore, or if you see a sun, it might not be there, right? It might just taken so long to see it now, but it might have actually gone away by now. And there might be things in the sky that are over here that are actually there, but you can't see them yet, right? There could be some giant asteroid coming towards us that we can't even see yet, because it blows my mind, man. It blows my mind because the Earth hasn't reached the light of that hasn't reached the Earth. It's nuts, man. So much stuff blows my mind about space. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. It's light years away. It's crazy how you can see something and it might not be there anymore, just because the light already hit here and it's gonna take more time for light. Ah, man, I can't even think about this shit, man. It's craziness. Craziness. Because the speed of light travels? Yeah. How do men get pregnant? What the hell are you talking about, man? But yeah, that's the two things that blew my mind yesterday when I was watching them. An asteroid can be seen? No, if it's far away enough, you can't see it. You can't see it. You might see a sun that's actually farther away, but that's because the light's already hit the Earth, right? But an asteroid might actually be closer, but because it got there faster, right? Because it moved in front of the sun at a faster speed, that light might not hit the Earth yet, so you can't see it yet. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. Did I go to college? Yes. Did I learn anything in college? Yes, I went for computer science. So I know a good bit about computers and coding and stuff like that. Is college? And if it wasn't, did I end up doing anything with that? No, at least at the time. I guess I'm in crypto now, so I mean it's a little bit different. But yeah, I went for computer science, man, and computer science and management. But I mean, really, college to me is just like a social aspect. I mean, did I really learn anything that I couldn't have learned online? No. I could have learned everything I learned online. It was really just for the social aspect. For me, man. That's what college was good for. Finally, a useful stream. What you see out there already happened thousands, millions, and billions of years ago. Yeah, it's crazy, Palagic. It's absolutely nuts how that happens, man. Lil Miss Crypto Karma became a member. What's going on, Lil Miss Crypto Karma? I love it. Stumbledore said, put ETH and BTC still had outside Helicius, but what do I do with all my top altcoins? Your top alts? Do what you want to do, man. What I'll say about the altcoins is the Bitcoin dominance has actually been holding pretty steady, right? So, I mean, is that going to change? I don't know. The Bitcoin dominance has kind of been holding up. You're probably just going sideways in the Bitcoin dominance, just in this range here. So, that's what I'll say about dominance, man. I mean, altcoins have actually held up decently well in the last couple weeks, which is definitely interesting. Definitely interesting. Luna Classic chart, please. I'm Horse Guy, excited so far. Of course you are. Marty. All right, yeah. I got a couple of these. Let me look at for some of the guys down here. Let's look at Gal coin for Kashan. Gal coin. Look at a few alts, guys. We'll talk some more aliens in the meantime, because we like to talk about aliens here. Gal coin. Let's see. I don't know. I mean, this thing. Broke out, back tested. There's not really enough data to see on this thing. Let me go to the 4 hour. It's going to follow Bitcoin's price action, but let's see. Yeah, it's just chopping. It's chopping away in a range right now. Chopping. This would be a node. This would be an interesting trade zone for me, man. Just chopping in this range. Dicing them up. Dice. Just dicing traders up, right? Just ripping between the 50 EMAs, not even respecting it. This is a no trade zone for me. If Bitcoin dumps, this is coming back down with it, man. Alrighty. But you did break out a little resistance line, so if Bitcoin can hold up, awesome. This is just a Dyson. This is not telling us too much. 4 hour, not really telling us too much. Daily stocks are topped out. That would give me vibes that we go lower. And if you look at this from this standpoint, I mean, it's really just an upwards channel, which is a bear flag during a bear market. You see a bear flag during a bear market? That is no bueno. Okay? Go to the downside there. So, watch out for that. SXP. SXP from Marty M. What's going on, Marty? Marty's such an interesting name. I've never met a angry Marty. Marty's always happy, right? You guys ever met a guy named Marty? Is the alien segment over? No, we'll go back to the alien segment for a little bit. Have you guys ever met a angry Marty? Let me know. Like that just sounds like such a happy name. Like, hey, what's going on, Marty? And Marty just always smiles. All right, so SXP. It's just another one, man. It's looking dicey. Looking dicey for my taste here. All right, you're below the 20 EMA. Can't get any momentum above the 20 EMA. All right. Daily stocks topped out. Got to assume this coming back down to the lows again. All right. Nothing about this chart tells me that it's going to, continue to the upside there. All right. You got a 4 hour vector candle here. All the way back down to this level here. So I would assume it at least comes back down to 36 cents. Get a 4 hour vector candle here. You broke the 50 EMA in the 4 hour time frame. This is coming lower, man. Talking about nonsense. Rewind for Bitcoin analysis. This is what I'm going to start doing, man. It's funny. It's funny. Marty. Yo, Marty, my boy. A British Virgin Islands court has ordered the liquidation of 3 Arrows Capital. Thank you, Kennedy. That came out earlier, didn't it? I think I saw that earlier. But I appreciate that, Kennedy. SXP, and then we have Luna Classic. I know Luna Classic was pumping earlier. Let's see if it still is. So, Luna Classic. Let's see what we got. Check the 1 hour time frame. I would say Luna Classic. This one's got a mind of its own. If Bitcoin holds the 20K support, this thing will probably continue up. But right now, you got a little bearish divergence on the 1 hour time frame. Just be careful on this, man. This is one of those that's just... it just looks like this, right? And a lot of times, these kind of defy the odds. A lot of the times, they defy the odds, right? This had bearish divergence all the way up here. Played out a little bit, continued up. I got to see this at least retracing to the 20 EMA sometime soon. This one's getting a little dicey here. And it kind of looks like a giant rising wedge that wants to break to the downside. So watch out for that. You got the blue vector candle popping in there, stopping volume. Would expect it to come back down to the downside as well. All right. All right. Let's get out of this. Let's talk more aliens, man. Let's talk more aliens. Drew said, I have an Uncle Marty, and he is a fucking dick. Really? This is how I would expect Marty to look, man. Ready? I think Marty would look something like this. Let me find a happy face. Let's see. Let's see. None of those are happy. I type happy, they're all sad. What's going on, Marty? Hey, what's going on, man? What's going on? I hope everything's going well for you, man. Oh, yeah, my kids are doing great. Yeah, my wife is awesome, too, sometimes. Yeah, everything's great. Everything's great, man. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, life is so great. I'm actually going on a fishing trip with my other friend, Barty, later on. Me and Barty are going fishing trip, man. It's going to be freaking awesome. Jordan, you're such an awesome person. Thank you for saying hi to me. Yeah, of course my name's Marty, man. Of course. No, that's how I would picture Marty. You know, just a really nice guy. You know, just a guy who has kids, has a wife that he loves a little bit, but she's kind of annoying, but he still loves her anyways. Yeah, that's how I picture Marty. Definitely. Can we start our stream off with the nonsense chats? We can, but we have to put the disclaimer. You know how many trolls on Twitter? This is why I don't go on Twitter anymore. You know how many trolls on Twitter I get that say, I watch Jordan's stream, he just talks about nothing. It's like, dude, it's like, how much can you talk about the Bitcoin charts before you're just making shit up, you know? That's why I don't go on Twitter anymore. I stay off Twitter, man. So as long as we put the disclaimer, right? Talking about nonsense, rewind for Bitcoin analysis, okay? People can rewind and talk about Bitcoin, right? All right, there we go. It's a win-win for both parties, in my opinion. Marty McFly. Nice. We had a Marty in high school who was just like that. A Marty in high school. I can't be mad at Marty, man. Nonsense segment countdown to start the stream. Some people like the nonsense. That's only because Rick and Morty? Probably, yeah. You guys are funny in the chat. Buddy, that's messed up in the chat, man. That's messed up, man. I'm not even going to say that. That's messed up. Yeah, the SEC denied Grayscale spot ETF. Shocking. Will that be a catalyst that breaks 20? That tells us to break 20K? Definitely could be. As soon as it gets soaked up. I mean, it could already be priced in. Because, quite honestly, did anyone expect it to be passed? I would argue no. All right, 20,028. I was hoping for a little dump tonight. It seems like it wants to tease me. I know exactly what's going to happen here. You guys know what's going to happen. I'm going to say, I'm getting off. And then all of a sudden, Java's going to come in with his massive $100 million short. Oh, Jordan's off stream? Screw that guy. He's my brother, but he's an idiot. Okay, he's off stream. Okay, Savvy, you know what to do. Put your $5 in, Savvy, and I'll put my $100 million in. Let's dump it down to oblivion. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dump it.
There we go. Jordan's off. We dumped it. Finally. What do I think about aliens? Well, aliens are scary. Like, I don't like to usually talk about aliens. Because I usually only like to short Bitcoin in my spare time. But, you know, I think aliens are real. I mean, do you see me? If I'm real, you know how fat I am? If I'm real, aliens are real too. Alright. Oh, Lord. You're on during my morning showers? Wonder what the wife thinks? Oh, facts, man. When she hears... when Bob's doing that. No, in the mornings I'm trying to be a little bit more cool, man. Because, listen, I can only have so much energy in my day. You know what I'm saying? I can only have so much energy. So the morning streams, I want to be a little bit more chillax. Drinking coffee, hang out, talk some, you know, pre-market charts, and just kind of chill out, man. You know, we have fun on the nighttime streams.
You're on during my morning showers. Wonder what the wife thinks.
Don't dump it. I'm down about 85%. Yeah. Snumbledore said we're going on a bear hunt. We can't go over it. We can't go around it. Oh, that's a great song. It's a great song as a kid. We can't go over, can't go around it. We can't... Wait, that's not how it goes. It goes, we can't go around and we can't go through it. Beautiful, eminent, super duper mud. Mud, mud. I love mud. Remember that song? Oh no, guess we're gonna get through it. Joe.
WHO that.
Ha, what's up, Nola? Thanks for hanging out. I try to take showers while listening to you, but then you start screaming meatloaf and manipulation. How can you be down 85% on BTC? I don't think that's possible, man. Wes said, for me, this is a morning stream, even if it's 3 at night. Shout out to Wes. Wes, hope you're doing good, my guy. Going to a bear market for a while. Might as well embrace it. True. Might as well embrace it. Excuse me, man. All right, Bitcoin's trying to pump back up, guys. I am flabbergasted of energy. Okay, I am drained of energy. I gotta keep some of this energy, okay, up for the rest of the night. And but I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Once again, we're gonna be doing tomorrow. We're gonna be doing the morning stream at 8:30 a.m. We're gonna be doing a member stream, which we're gonna go over. We're gonna just like learn a little bit. We'll learn together, right? We're gonna go back in different price action and see how things played out in the past, or maybe we can find some clues of what happens in the future price action. We'll talk short-term charts, daily charts, stuff like that. That should be a fun stream. I'm thinking around noon for that one, but I'll keep you guys updated. It'll be sometime in the afternoon, and then obviously I'll see you guys tomorrow night. All right, so let's stay busy. Let's keep getting it, and we'll get through this market together and come out the freaking other side, man. All right, adios, guys. Can't wait till we can start playing this song every single day again. It's coming. It's coming. All right. Adios, guys. Now, while we play the pump song and sit here awkwardly for 10 seconds, as always, don't panic sell your crypto. Oh, God. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And don't panic sell yo crypto. All right. Adios, friends. Peace out. Now for the awkward 10 seconds. Okay, here we go. Maj, I gotta take a shit. God, man. Oh, shit, I'm still on. Christ, man. That's embarrassing. I love how you played into it.